If you're new to UGC, here are some portfolio tips that you can thank me for later. And before you watch this video, make sure you go take a look at my other video for more portfolio tips. So, a tip that is very important is to make sure your website is mobile friendly. And you can preview this right in Canva if you use Canva. And yes, you'll want to make sure that it looks okay, everything looks presentable, and stuff like that. Number 2 is to make sure your videos aren't on autoplay. And I will make a video showing you how to turn it off. That is important too, because if you go on your page and all the videos are playing at once, it is very hard to pay attention. Another tip that I recommend is to make your portfolio fun. You can put pictures of yourself, make sure it represents you as a person and your personality. And another tip is to make sure your portfolio is up to date. I update my portfolio at least once a week. I take out the old work and put in new work. So you want to keep on refreshing your content because you improve as you make more content, right? I hope these tips helped, and make sure you follow for more UGC tips.